Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to create a WhatsApp group. To create a group in WhatsApp, launch the WhatsApp application open on your mobile device. Now make sure that you're inside the chat screen. Go to the top right corner of the screen and tap on the plus icon. Now this will open up the new chat interface. Tap on New Group. Select the members you'd like to add to the group on the next page. Tap on the contact's name and this will select the contact. Make sure that the person that you are adding is already on WhatsApp. After you've selected enough members, tap on Next at the top right. Give your group a name, type it down in the text box at the top. After typing down the name, you can also add a profile picture to the group by tapping the camera icon and uploading a profile picture. You can also enable disappearing message for the group. Tap on the disappearing message button and select the duration of the chat that will disappear. After selecting the disappearing duration, you can also tap on the group permission option and choose what the members that you've added can do on the group. You can allow them to edit group settings, send message, or add another member. If you want to keep them from doing any of these, you can toggle off the button right next to the option like this. After you do that, you can get back and then click on Create at the top right. And there you have successfully created a group on WhatsApp. You can keep adding more friends, share updates, and keep in touch with a group of people from the chat. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.